Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload a product page. Here on the screen you are able to see a product page. It has already been uploaded. So by the end of the video your product page should look like this. Now I'll show you how to upload a product page on the given website. First, you need to unzip the folder which is provided to you and open the Word file. So the folder will be provided to you in a zip format like this. You have to simply select and right click and extract that folder. Once you extract that folder, open that folder, you will be able to see the product images and a Word file which has the content of the product page. Product images and the content is been given to us by a dedicated team. Now second, I'll show you how to log in into the given website using the given credential. The website link would be provided to you and the login credential would be also provided to you. Once you receive your login credential, enter your username and password and simply click on the login button. Third, you need to go into the product and click on the add new to add the content from the Word file. First, open the Word file. Your Word file will look like this. Now go into your dashboard. You will be able to see the product menu. Click on the add new. Now here on this page, we will be adding the content from the Word file. Now I'll show you some guidelines to transfer the content from the Word file stepwise. First, the initials of the word in the product name text box should always be in capital. For this, you have to go into your Word file. Here you will able to see the product name. Copy the product name text. Go into your dashboard. You will able to see a product name text box. Simply paste that copied section over here. Now here you have to make sure the initials of the word should always be in capital. The first letter should always be in capital. If you found any of the letter in small, simply correct it and make it in capital. Next, the product ID to be placed in product data section by clicking inventory menu at SKU text box. Go into your Word file again. You will able to see product ID below product name. Copy that product ID. Go into your dashboard. Scroll down. You will able to see a product data section. Click on the inventory menu and here on the SKU text box, paste that product ID as it is. Third, meta description to be placed in product short description section. Go into your Word file. Below product ID, you will able to see the product description. Copy this text as it is. Go into your dashboard. Scroll down, you will able to see product short description section. Paste the text as it is. Next, overview, features and technical specification to be placed in product description section. Go back again into your Word file. You will able to see overview, feature and technical specification. Copy this whole thing as it is. Go into your dashboard. Scroll up. You will able to see product description section. Click on the visual and paste the copied section as it is. Once done, we need to make sure all the headings in the product description section should be in heading H2 and the colon should be removed from every heading and it should not be in bold. Go in your dashboard. All the heading should always be in heading H2. It should not be in bold, so I am removing the bold and the colon should also be removed. All the heading should always be in heading H2. It should not be in bold and the colon should be removed. From here you will be able to see the heading H2. Select that, remove the bold and remove the colon. Click on the format table by selecting reset table size, so the table will be automatically be adjusted. So here you will be able to see a table. Click on any column or any row. Go in the format menu. Click on reset table size. So your table will automatically be adjusted. I'll repeat. Click on any column or any row. Go in the format menu and click on reset table size. Next, select the product category which is present as the heading of the Word file. Go into your Word file. Scroll up, you will be able to see the product category. So the heading is your product category. This is my product category. I'll copy this. I'll go into my dashboard. On the right hand side, you will be able to see the product category section. Simply search for your category. This is my category. I'll select. Now I'll show you how to add product image. So only one product image to be uploaded in product image section. Remaining images to be uploaded in image gallery section. Image should not be repeated. These are the both section on the right hand side, product image and product gallery. As I said, one image to be uploaded in product image section. So click on set product image. Click on upload files. Select file. Now go into that particular folder. This is my folder. I'll select one image. Uploading this one image. Now next, all the images should be uploaded in product gallery section. So add product gallery images. I'm clicking on this. Again, upload files. Select files. This has been already been uploaded, so I'll skip this and I'll select this both. Open. And here I'll select add to gallery. Here you will be able to see all the images are being uploaded. Next step, click on the publish button. Before you click the publish button or update, over here, take a moment and preview your content. If everything looks good, then you can proceed to click on the publish button. Here we are done with uploading a product page. For tutorial purpose, we do not mention the company name. You need to use the company name as it is mentioned in the document. So now some questions will arise from your side. Here are a few questions. First, after you click on the publish button, you might get an error as invalid duplicate SKU like this. So in this case, it means the product ID is already given to some other product. So you have to change the series of the ID. Like if this is my product ID, the product series 101, I simply change it to 102 or make it 100, and then I'll update it. The other way is to go in the product menu. Here on the right hand side, you're able to see the text box, search product, paste that product ID. Before updating, you can check the product ID if it is available or not. If I check for 100, there is no record available. It means you can use this product ID. Like this, you can check it. Next, you can always edit the page and then click on the update button to see the new changes. For example, go in your dashboard. If you missed any of the word or any of the sentence, you can always click on the update and you can able to see the new changes. Third, add or delete option is always available when you want to do any changes in the table by selecting table menu. Go into the dashboard. This is the table. Now what if I want to add a new row? Then I'll just select on this row. Go into the table menu. You can see a menu as row. Now wherever you want to insert your row, after or before, I want to insert after, then I can insert. See, my new row has been updated. If I want to delete that row, I'll go row and delete the row. Same goes for column. If I want to add a new column, I'll always insert a column before or after or delete a column. Like that, you can do the changes in the table. Thank you. If you have any more questions, you can always comment down the questions in the comment section.